In this video we have to make x the subject of the formula. So we have x on one side of equation and all the other thing on the other side of equation. So first of all we can take this minus 4 on this side. So this will become plus 4. So we have 6x square is equal to 3r plus 4. Now we will take this 6 on this side, and here we can see that 6 is multiplying by x square. So when we take 6 on the other side, it will divide 3r plus 4. So we have x square is equal to 3r plus 4 upon 6. Now when we take this square on the other side, this square will become square root. So we have square root of 3r plus 4 upon 6, and we will put the plus minus sign over here. So now we have x as a subject of equation or subject of formula. So we have x is equal to plus minus square root of 3r plus 4 upon 6.